Hello, greetings to you, my dear students. Today we are going to see one very interesting topic, my dear students. It's already we have done two videos, my dear students, in JEE Basic Mathematics Algebraic Identities. So, these are like very basic algebraic identities, my dear students. But from here, they have asked so many questions, so many trickier questions, so many applicable questions, so many questions they have asked. They are just sit and doing research, my dear students, how to confuse the students with questions with the basic terms. Okay, my dear students, today we are going to see this basic algebraic identities, my dear students. Using this, we are going to see three confusing and trickier problem, my dear students. JEE level, the very confusing and tricky problem, if you have solved with the first view, then you are great, my dear students. Okay, the royal salute to you. Okay, now let's go, my dear students. These things already you know, a cube plus b cube, which means a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab, and a cube minus b cube, which is a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Here another formula is also there. This one is very important, my dear students. A plus b the whole cube formula and a minus b the whole cube formula, and these things you already know. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, and here a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Be careful with sign, my dear students. If you change the single sign in max, right, your result is like, that's all. Okay, my dear students. Now, this thing we have seen. Now, let's solve the problem, my dear students, with the algebraic identity what we have seen. Okay. Now, you tell me the answer for this question, my dear students. Before I solve, pause the video and try to solve by yourself. At least think, my dear students, how to solve like that. Okay. So, if x is equals to 2 power 2 by 3 plus 2 power 1 by 3. We have to find this, my dear students. They have given the cubic equation. We have to find this. Come, my dear students. So, x is equals to 2 power 2 by 3 plus 2 power 1 by 3. So, what is this, my dear students? X is equals to 2 power 2 by 3 plus 2 power 1 by 3. Now, we have to find the cubic equation. So, without disturbing the original function, I have to do something. That is what, my dear students, I am going to do, the cubic function. So, what is this? Cubic. X cube. Here, on the x cube alone, my dear students. But here, 2 power 2 by 3 plus 2 power 1 by 3 whole cube. So, here, x cube is equals to, my dear students, now we have to expand it, my dear students. How we can, my dear students? So, a cube, which is 2 power 2 by 3 the whole cube, plus b cube 2 power 1 by 3 the whole cube, plus 3 into ab, my dear students, 2 power 2 by 3 2 power 1 by 3, my dear students, into a plus b is there, my dear students. Please don't forget 2 power 2 by 3 plus 2 power 1 by 3. Okay, my dear students, I hope still here you don't have any kind of doubt, because it's very easy thing, very normal. Just we have done a cubic on both sides, and then for this thing alone we have applied the algebraic identity formula, my dear students. Now, what we are going to do? Now, we have to simplify this, my dear students. So, x cube is over here, and here see, my dear students, 2 power, here the power rule we are applying. 2 power 2 by 3 into cube means I can multiply it, my dear students. So, 3 will be cancelled. At last, I will get 2 square. Then, my dear students, plus 2. Okay, my dear students, 1 power 3 into 3, which means 2, plus 2 power 2 by 3, my dear students, 2 power 1 by 3. So, 2 power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, my dear students. This is also the another power rule, my dear students. So, what we will get? 3 by 3, 1. So, we will get only 2, my dear students. Okay, instead of here I'll replace with 2. Here, my dear students, you have to be careful. 2 power 2 by 3 plus 2 power 1 by 3. Already they have mentioned that is x. So here I am going to replace with x, my dear students. So x cube plus 2 square is 4, my dear students. Sorry, here. So 2 square plus 2, which means 6, my dear students. X cube is equals to 6 plus 6x. So if I bring everything to LHS side, then I got the answer, my dear friends. That's all. Very simple, right? You have to be little careful while applying the formulas, my dear friends. Okay. So x cube minus 6x minus 6. That's the answer, my dear friends. So option A is the correct answer. That's all. Okay, I hope you understood well, my dear students. So that's what they also given us the answer. Now, my dear students, if x is equals to 3 plus 3 power 1 by 3 plus 3 power 2 by 3, I have to find. Little by little, I am increasing the difficulty level, my dear students, for your goodness. You have to, first initial stage, you have to solve easy level problems, my dear students. Then you have to solve the trickier and confusing problem. Straight away, please don't go and enter into the advanced level problem. You will find yourself so worthless. Yeah, that's what happened, my dear students. I have seen so many students after writing the mock test in coaching classes itself, they find themselves, what, I can't solve any kind of problem. Then how I can solve JEE level problems? Like that, they, so many students, they left, they quit this JEE. So initial stage, step by step, my dear students, we can achieve anything, but we have to go with the proper path. The guidance have to be good, my dear students. So only I am explaining you. Now it's not a very tough question, my dear students, just a trickier question. They have given x is equals to one thing, my dear students. This x is equals to this constant value, and then they are asking the value of this cubic equation. What is the value they are asking? So from here I have to find the value for this. Let's find it, my dear students. At first time when you are seeing, it seems like difficult, but once you enter into the problem, right, that is nothing, my dear students. But one thing is it will be very difficult for you, my dear students, which means here already I have set the algebraic identity, and from this identity only I am going to solve the problem. Those things I have explained to you. So you might know, okay, sir is going to use the cubic identity, the same identity. But in exam, you don't have that option. Everything you are going to see at blank. So you have to recollect in algebraic identity which formula I have to use, how to use, everything by practice you can get it, my dear students. Okay. Now x is equals to 3 plus this thing they have given, my dear students. What I am going to do is solution. Okay. I am going to take this 3 alone to the left hand side, my dear students, for my convenient purpose. So x minus 3 into 3 power 1 by 3 plus 3 power 2 by 3. Okay, my dear students. Now I got the simpler form. Now I am going to do the cube on both sides, my dear students, so that the value is not going to change. That's the very important thing, my dear students. So x minus 3 the whole cube is equals to 3 power 1 by 3 plus 3 power 2 by 3 the whole cube. So this thing, you know, my dear friends, just now I have solved the same problem in the same way. So both the side we have to expand with the algebraic identity formula, and if we simplify, we will get the answer for, we will get the value for this equation, my dear students. Okay. Now let's expand it, my dear students. So x cube plus 3 cube, my dear students, 3, okay, first let me write the same way. Oh, here they have given minus. What is that? So here minus have to come. Minus 3 cube. Then minus 3 into AB, which is 3x. Then what, my dear students? A minus B, which is x minus 3. Now is equals to, we have to expand this part, my dear students, 3 power 1 by 3 the whole cube plus 3 power 2 by 3 the whole cube plus 3 into AB into A plus B, my dear students. So 3 power 1 by 3, 3 power 2 by 3 into 3 power 1 by 3 plus okay, my dear students. Now we have expanded the both of the terms. Now we have to compare, my dear students, x cube minus 27 minus 9x, my dear students, into x minus 3. Then is equals to 3 power 1 by 3 into 3, my dear students, plus if here also it will be 3 square, my dear students. 3 power 2 by 3 is there. 3 will be cancelled, so that I'll get 3 square. Then plus 3 into 3 power 3 by 3, my dear students, which means 3 3s are 9. And here, my dear students, in place of here I can replace with x minus 3. So 9 into x minus 3, my dear students. Now what we have to do? Now we have to again simplify, and if we gather to the single side LHS side, then we will get the answer, my dear students. So x cube minus 27 minus 9x. If I enter this minus 9x into this bracket, my dear students, I'll get minus 9x square plus 27x. Okay, my dear students, minus into minus, it's plus 9 3s are 27 into x. Then equals to 3 plus 9 plus 9x minus 27. Okay, my dear students, just I have expanded this side, my dear students. Now I am going to bring all the terms to the LHS side, so that before that, let me cancel out this minus 27, this minus 27, my dear students. However, they both are going to be 0 only. If I bring that term to this side plus 27, it will become 0. So now itself I cancelled it out, my dear students. X cube minus 9x square plus 27x. 9 plus 3, it's 12, my dear students. So minus 12 minus 9x equals to 0. Okay, my dear students. Now we have to again solve this. X cube minus 9x square. So 27x minus 9x, which is going to be 18x, minus 12 equals to 0. So we got the same equation, my dear students, and the answer is 0. So in our option, it's 0. Option A is the correct answer, my dear students. I hope you understood this question, my dear students. If you have any kind of doubt, please ask me in the comment section. I am waiting for your comment. Still, there is another one question, my dear students. After that, this lecture will be over. So A is the correct answer, my dear students. So now, if x square minus 5x plus 1 is equals to 0, then the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube they have asked, my dear students. How you will solve with this quadratic equation? You have to find the cubic function value. You have to think, my dear students. Please pause the video and think, my dear students. If you get the answer, just you want to know how to manipulate, my dear students. What are the things I have? How to do? Like you see, right? It's like a biryani. It's like preparing biryani. You see, we have everything. We have meat, masalas, and rice, water, vessel, and For heat, there is the stove, everything we need. And every timing is very, very important. First we have to pour the oil, then it have to heat, then they'll add some like flavors, right, my dear students? For flavors they add some things, then they have to mix, then they put onion, tomatoes. There is the measurement, there is the heat ratio is there, temperature is there, everything is very, very important. In the same way, how you are, they have given these things, from this how you are going to make him, that's the matter, my dear students. Now let's see. Here they have given the quadratic polynomial, my dear students. From this we have to find x cube plus 1 by x cube answer. So what we can do, x square minus 5x plus 1 equals to 0. Now I have to make this equation into x plus 1 by x format, my dear students. After that, just I can do the cubic on both sides like that. So for that, what I am going to do is, I am going to take him minus 5x and put him in RHS. So that x square plus 1 is equals to 5x, my dear students. It will become 5x. Have you understood till this point, my dear students? I hope you understood it well. Now what I am going to do, dividing x on both sides equals to 5, my dear students. Now I can convert this term into x plus 1 by x, okay, is equals to 5, my dear students. That's all, my dear students. Now I got that x plus 1 by x format. Now what I have to do, now I have to cube on both sides, x plus 1 by x cube is equals to 5 cube, my dear students. So if I cube this one, means x cube plus 1 by x, the x cube, because a cube plus b cube, my dear students, plus 3 into ab. If it is a and b, x into 1 by x, it will be cancelled out, so that I'll get only x plus 1 by x equals to 125. Okay, my dear students. Now in place of x plus 1 by x, already I have found it's 5, my dear students. So x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into 5 equals to 125, my dear students. So here I got the value for x cube plus 1 by x cube, my dear students. Now 5 3s are 15. This 15 goes that side. What answer I'll get, my dear students? X cube plus 1 by x cube is equals to 110, my dear students. That's the answer. So option B is the correct answer, my dear students. I hope you understood it well, my dear students. If you have any kind of doubt, please ask me in the comment section. This sum is very simple, but this thing here, this part, in this part, you have to be a bit careful. You have to get him into the right path. Otherwise, it will go in another path. Okay? Okay, my dear students. For this time and all, you have to take it very less time. Quick, you have to solve it. For that, practice, practice, practice makes a man perfect. Okay, my dear students. Let me show you the answer. So answer for this question is 110. It's B, my dear students. And I hope you find this video useful, my dear students, and you enjoyed a lot. If you have any kind of doubts, please ask me in the comment section. Bye bye. Thank you, my dear students.